Foundation by Isaac Asimov is the first book in Asimov's renowned Foundation series, which presents a grand vision of the rise and fall of civilizations across the cosmos. This classic science fiction novel introduces the concept of psychohistory, a mathematical and statistical means of predicting large-scale societal trends. The story is set in a future where the Galactic Empire, a sprawling civilization that encompasses the entire Milky Way, is on the brink of collapse. The central figure of Foundation is Hari Seldon, a brilliant mathematician who develops psychohistory and foresees the inevitable decline of the empire. His calculations predict that this collapse will usher in a 30,000-year period of chaos and barbarism. However, Seldon devises a plan to reduce this dark age to just 1,000 years by establishing the Foundation, a repository of human knowledge meant to preserve and accelerate the rebirth of civilization. The story begins with Seldon's trial for treason as the Empire's leaders view his predictions as a threat to their power. Seldon argues for the creation of the Foundation and, surprisingly, is permitted to proceed. He establishes the Foundation on the distant planet of Terminus, strategically located on the outer edge of the galaxy, where a group of scientists and scholars gather to compile the Encyclopedia Galactica, a comprehensive record of human knowledge. This is initially presented as the primary mission of the Foundation, though Seldon has deeper, unspoken motives. As the story progresses, it becomes clear that Seldon's true intent goes beyond preserving knowledge. The Foundation, through carefully planned crises known as Seldon crises, must navigate challenges that test its ability to survive and expand. These crises are moments when the Foundation faces existential threats that can only be resolved in a way that aligns with Seldon's grand plan for rebuilding civilization. Key figures in the novel include Salvor Hardin, the cunning and pragmatic first mayor of Terminus, who famously states, "Violence is the last refuge of the incompetent." Hardin uses diplomacy and political acumen to outmaneuver neighboring warlords and kingdoms that threaten Terminus, demonstrating that intellect and strategic thinking are as vital as brute force. The novel's narrative structure is episodic, focusing on how the Foundation overcomes successive challenges using Seldon's foresight as guidance. These episodes illustrate the interplay between knowledge, power, and human nature. Asimov's exploration of political and social dynamics reflects his belief that history is cyclical, driven by recurring patterns of rise and fall. Foundation raises thought-provoking questions about determinism and free will, suggesting that while individuals may exercise free choice, the collective behavior of societies can be predicted with astonishing accuracy. The concept of psychohistory serves as a metaphor for the potential of science and reason to guide humanity through turbulent times. The book's themes of knowledge preservation, strategic foresight, and the cyclical nature of history make it a cornerstone of science fiction literature.